The problem states, evaluate the expression 124 minus the absolute value of 14 minus 40 minus 8. First we're going to do what's inside the absolute value signs. And first we're going to do what's parentheses. Because again, we think of PEMDAS, we have to do parentheses first. This is just going to be, we do this first. 40 minus 8 is 32. So this is going to be 14 minus 32. And still the absolute value of that. So this just comes down. We have the absolute value of 14 minus 32. And when we subtract 14 minus 32, we know it's going to be negative because 32 is much higher than 14. So we can't take away higher than 14. So when we do 14 minus 32, we can simply just do 32 minus 14, and we know this answer is going to be negative. So 32 minus 14, 2 minus 4 we can't do, so we have to borrow from 3. So this becomes 2 and this becomes 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore 14 minus 32 is going to be negative 18, because we know that 14 minus 32 has to be a negative number. So when we do 32 minus 14 we get 18, and we know this answer is going to be negative 18. So this is the absolute value. So it's going to be 124 minus the absolute value of negative 18. And the absolute value sign means the distance from this number from 0. So negative 18 is just 18 spaces from 0. So the absolute value of negative 18 is 18. So we have 124 minus 18. And we can do that on the side. 124 minus 18. So 4 minus 8 we can't do, so we have to borrow from 2. So this becomes 1, this becomes 14. 14 minus 8 is 6. 1 minus 1 is 0, and 1 minus 0 is 1. Therefore, 124 minus 18 is 106. And that is the answer.